So maybe you've seen some of my posts, some of my videos, and thinking, what is this Made on a Mobile carry-on? What's it all about? Why do I need to know about videos using mobile phones? So I'm just going to give you a quick little taste here of an app that I use called KineMaster. I teach this because it's available for Apple and Android. So it doesn't matter what phone or tablet you have, you can use this video editing software. You can add clips, as you can see here. I can change the color, I can make them more vivid. I can take color away altogether if I want to. I can make the shots black and white to create a more moody effect. What else can I do? I can add titles. So if I go into layers, I can type in a title. I can change the font of that title. I can change the position and the size on screen. I mean, it's a really powerful little app for editing videos on a phone. I can add sound effects. So here's, these are free sound effects that are built into the app. Same with music. I can add little music clips that are free. And there's quite a few of them as well. So you're not necessarily going to hear the same things everywhere. I'll just add some subtitles here, same principle as titles, but it's just scaling them differently. But the way that KineMaster works is the same that higher end video editing apps work. So by learning this, if you then want to progress even onto a desktop, onto pro Hollywood movie editing platforms, it's the same principle. Obviously there are infinitely more options on those higher end pieces of software. But this app is lots of fun. You can, I mean, look what I'm doing subtitles here. I can add backgrounds. I can make them different colors. I can do little drawings on screen. And I can even animate them. So if I want to recreate me having just drawn that squiggle, draw by stroke, it'll recreate it. I can slow it down if I want to. It's a great little app. And I'm running a free demo to show you a little bit more about what this does. You can download the app, follow along with me. We'll create a short little video, but I'll also take you through some of the more advanced features. I'll also talk a little bit about storytelling, and also there'll be a Q&A at the end if you've got any questions. Video is a great way of sharing your story. Using your mobile phone that you already own, you can always advance onto other kit if you want to, but there's nothing that you will learn that won't be useful in the future using any other camera or any other software platform.